Welcome to the Food Citizens iDoc. In this interactive documentary, you will find the city of Rotterdam, the city of Turin, and the city of Gdansk. As you can see, by going on top of the buildings, hovering over the buildings, you can see them highlighting. That means you can click on them. If you click on them, you will see there are lines that bring you to other places that you can explore. To know more about these places, you click on the top right hand side and you open the sidebar where you can read the description of the place. By using this diagram, you can drag it and it will show the different categories we use for our comparison of the places. And so by doing so, you sort the lines and the comparisons they enable. You can also open up the icon here, click on it, and you can see the media we have selected from those field sites. You close this slideshow here on the top left corner, and you can also click randomly on other buildings. This one in Turin, Porti Generali, and on the icon, you can see you have multiple choices for your videos. We click on the first one, and you see there is a video that will start and that you can watch. Once again, you can click here on the left-hand side, the top corner, and you can close this menu by clicking once again on the plus icon. We also collected media that we have found in the field. For instance, here in Rotterdam Arena in Gdansk, we can find a PDF of the regulation of the allotment gardens in Gdansk. I hope you enjoy your navigation. Thank you for using Food Citizens iDoc.